Music. Welcome to my ClearTax review. Find links below. ClearTax simplifies taxes for everyone, individuals, small businesses, and pros. It streamlines income tax filing, GST compliance, and even financial planning. Its user-friendly design adapts to various tax laws, especially India's. ClearTax makes income tax filing intuitive. Upload your Form 16 and watch it autofill your data. Step-by-step guidance maximizes deductions and minimizes errors, perfect for salaried employees, freelancers, and first-timers. ClearTax automates calculations and offers personalized deduction recommendations under sections like 80C and 80D. For businesses, ClearTax excels at GST compliance. File returns, generate invoices, reconcile input tax credits, and catch filing errors. This saves time, especially with high transaction volumes. It even integrates with Tally and QuickBooks. ClearTax also offers tax-saving investment recommendations for year-round financial optimization. Plus, tax experts are available for consultations. Prefer hands-off filing? ClearTax offers assisted services. ClearTax is perfect for individuals, entrepreneurs, and businesses needing a hassle-free, accurate, and affordable solution. Its ease of use, integrations, and features make it a top choice. Simplify your taxes. Check out ClearTax through the links below.